Tropical cyclone Alfred, currently a Category 2 storm, is approaching Australia's eastern coast, with significant concerns about storm surges and associated flooding in southeast Queensland and northern New South Wales. The Bureau of Meteorology has recorded waves as high as 12.3 meters off the Gold Coast, potentially leading to storm surge levels up to 1.5 meters above the highest tides. Brisbane City Council's modeling indicates that almost 20,000 properties could be affected by storm surge or flooding, ranging from minor yard inundation to significant home flooding. Coastal areas, including Currumbin Beach, are experiencing massive storm surges, with reports of roads and vehicles being swept away. The cyclone's landfall has been delayed due to its slowed movement. It is now anticipated to make landfall between Maroochydore and Coolangatta, possibly by Friday or Saturday. There is potential for Alfred to strengthen to a Category 3 storm before landfall. Authorities have issued severe weather warnings for regions spanning over 500 kilometers along the coast. Residents in flood-prone areas have been advised to evacuate due to the risks of life-threatening flash floods and severe storm conditions. Emergency services, including the Australian Defence Force, are on standby to support affected regions. Impact on infrastructure and services. In preparation for Alfred's arrival, over 1,000 schools have been closed, and public transport services have been suspended in the affected areas. Brisbane Airport has also ceased operations. Residents have been actively sandbagging homes, and evacuation centers have been established across the region. Evacuate if residing in flood-prone areas as advised by authorities. Avoid driving through floodwaters. Stay updated through official channels and local news outlets. Secure property and move valuables to higher ground. Given the cyclone's potential to strengthen and the associated hazards, it is crucial to adhere to all safety advisories and take necessary precautions.
Well, it's begun. I just got home from getting groceries and the tree has come down all over my everything. Holy shit.